So you wanted to generate an e-commerce website nowadays with the WordPress. So today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how we can get started. First of all, what you wanted to do is to browse the site ground of the hosting gear. You needed an actual host that supports the PCI compliance and the MVE storage. Nowadays, the speed is one of the greatest tools to get started. So SiteGround, for example, is a really great place to get started and to locate all in just one place. And if you don't want to pay a lot, I can totally recommend you to get started with Hostinga. Hostinga has tons, but truly tons of elements that can be helping you to get started, and of course they have a really affordable prices. So most hosts are now offer the AI starter plan because it pre-installs WordPress with Ecommerce and an SSL certificate automatically. So you just need to just grab the domain, keep it short, no hyphens, and if your brand name is taken, you can use the new shop or the store extension, so they're fully recognized by Google now, which I think is going to be really great. So the AI design phases, you don't have to panic now because the static theme has the Astra or the Elementor AI. To focus directly inside there, you can focus into the left section that says appearance or plugins and go for the element that says plugin. Now that here we are into the plugin, just type the word, for example, Astra, and this will be showing me now the Astra widget, the Astra customized reset, the hooks, and the starter templates, the AI power template for Elementor and the Axel Gutenberg. All of those are totally for free, so you can just hit into the element that says install now. And when you have successfully installed those, what you can do is to type into the element that says activate. Once we are directly inside the element that says activate, you can use the AI site generator. You can tell it into your actual niche and into the actual style, and it will build your header, the footer, the shop page, the layouts in about 60 seconds. So here, for example, you have now the Astra download. So what you need to do is to focus directly inside the pages. I'm going to head over for the element that says add new page. And once you are directly inside this element of the add new page, you can just start by typing the actual element that you would like to use to get started. For example, here I have the design library, and we have some headers, we have the pages, we have the kits, we have the favorites. Here are the called styles. Always open design library when creating new pages, and there's usually so much more. But what you can do is to focus now into the element that are totally for free, and when you download out those, you can go for install them and hit for the option that says get started. Now Astra and Elementor has an actual free plan, but the free plan has really limited places, so you might want to be starting out with a paid plan or a trial plan, so you can just check them out by yourselves. So you can generate content with the artificial intelligence, but this is going to be having an actual standard at $39 per year, but usually have a really great elements directly into Astra. So that's totally up to you. Something else that you can do, for example, in my case, let's say for example this is my home page number 2, you can just edit this with Elementor, and basically Elementor does exactly the same thing, but Elementor of course needed to be with an actual pricing, an actual plan that has to come with an actual plan in order to continue, because for example that if I wanted to use, for example, the artificial intelligence, the button modes, you need to prove this to the element, hit for the element that says get started, and it just won't let you continue because of course you needed to use the AI. For example, if you just type the word, let's say for example build a high end luxury watch store with a dark theme, you hit for generate, and yes, it's going to be working for all of us, but of course you needed of course to hit for the option that says upgrade in order to continue with this kind of elements with the artificial intelligence. So now to add products with the Ecommerce application, for example, you can just download them, and of course to make sure that you have now access directly inside them. So what you can do now, I'm going to close this for now. I'm going to exit for the actual WordPress. There we go. And just like that, I'm going to just close this element for now. I wanted to be focusing back again into my actual plugins. Directly here into the plugins, let's say that I head back for my WordPress. Let's head back for plugins. Let's go for add plugin, and make sure that we just type down here the element that says EC. So the Ecommerce or the EC plugin basically is the base but easy commerce is nowadays the engine that automates the boring stuff, right? So the AI powered WordPress is to sell digital products, subscription, physical goods, and of course generate content, create images, and license some sales automatically, and this makes this process much more faster. After you hit into the install, you hit for the option that says activate, and just like that, you're going to be having now access directly into the easy commerce. So what you can do, for example, you can go for the option that says store the name. Let's say, for example, Tech Express, like this. The business type in our case should be electronics and gadgets. The business country, you can just type, for example, where you are located at. The store email, you can go for Tech Express videos at gmail.com. Hit for the option that says next, and you can go for a shop phase. For example, you go for shop, the checkout, you can go for the checkout, the customer dashboard usually is creating an actual new page. That's totally optional. If you want, you can just generate new pages for all of them. You can even import them on products to preview the actual storefront and see how it actually looks. So the currency format, for example, you can just go from Stripe, you can go from PayPal, you can go whatever you wanted to. You want AI pictures in your store, you can just type your name. For example, let's say Steve, and you can just go for next, and there we go. You can add your own product and actually good to go. Lastly, you can focus into payment, shipping, and taxes. Nowadays, for example, you needed to download out the actual element of the WooCommerce that usually appears in my case directly inside the WordPress dashboard. So into the WooCommerce, what you can do, if you focus into the settings, here it should be appear the actual payments. So WooCommerce payments now includes tap to pay for physical store too. Everything is synced. You don't calculate taxes manually, turn into the automated tax engine, and it handles global VAT and local sales in real time based into your buyer's IP. So basically here, what you need to do is just to add either Stripe, PayPal, or even more payment options that are more accurate for your needs. So your store is ready. Before you launch, you're ready to run the WooCommerce pulse check to ensure your site loads in under 1.2 seconds, and you're actually good to go. So if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And well, hopefully, all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.